That is actually we shifted, we postponed celebrating the Foundation Day of English Open Mission uh, offline, sorry, online. Yeah, we want to celebrate it offline, sir. So actually, we request you to grace the occasion with your presence, sir, physical presence, in November.
No, I am going abroad to our son's place probably on 1st of November, and we will be, both of us, I and my wife, and we will be back from Ireland, Dublin, only in January, towards the end of January. So 3 months I won't be available in India, but I
Three
will be
months, sir.
available 3 months, November, December, and January. Our visa will be for 3 months, but we are waiting for the visa. Provided the visa comes,
Sir, sir.
it should come today, tomorrow, kind of thing. But
Oh my
then,
God.
but I'll be available online
Okay, thank you,
from
sir.
Dublin anytime, like this. Only thing you should remember, you are 5.5 hours ahead of my time in Dublin.
Thank you
So
so
please,
much, sir. We are blessed, sir. We are blessed.
so please hold your sessions in the afternoon, India time, 2 o'clock onwards. Then I'll be able to
Sure,
join you from Dublin.
sure.
Suchishmita, Suchishmita
Suchasmita
Barik.
Farida, madam, please speak something.
Yeah, no, Suchishmita Barik also wanted to join, I think.
Yeah. She was there.
Okay, anyway, we have 53, 54 people.
Uh, Professor Anand Mahanand will join us later because he is engaged with taking classes. So, okay, sharing class. Shivranshi?
Panchanan sir, if the sessions are in the afternoon, I think it will be better because the students also more of the students can join in the afternoon sessions
Yes, ma'am.
because even they might have classes in the
Yes.
morning.
Yes, ma'am. All of the session will be in the afternoon itself.
Okay, then it's good. Only, I mean, for today the session is at 10.
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Shivranshu?
Yes, sir, I've started recording and it will be posted on
Oh,
YouTube.
let's start.
Sure, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir, the recording is on, sir. You can begin now.
Okay. Good morning, everyone. I welcome you all to the inaugural session of 30 Awards course in English for the students of 10th class of Odisha. It is syllabus based, and this is a proposal. This is the idea by Professor Anand Mahanand. He is very personally excited about this particular proposal and project. So we try to give it a thought. Try to implement. Going to implement it today. Uh, Today we have with us Professor, our beloved sir, Professor G. Rajgopal, former Dean, School of English Language Education, the English and Foreign Languages University, Hyderabad. We have also with us Dr. Shishir Kumar Swai, former Controller of Examination, Sambalpur University, Odisha. We have with us Ms. Shatarupa Mishra Madam, Assistant Professor of English, Government Women's College, Vanipatna. She is also the warden of Savitribai Ladies Hostel, Government Women's College, Vanipatna. And though another guest has not joined us yet, he will join us very soon. Mr. Acharya Rishikesh Mishra, a great social activist of Kalahandi. And Professor Anand Mahanand will join us very soon. So now I would like to request Shivranshu to introduce the guest. Over to you, Shivranshu.
Thank you so much, sir. Our chief guest for today is Professor G. Rajgopal. Professor G. Rajgopal is the former Dean, School of English Language Education, the English and Foreign Languages University, Hyderabad. He is well known as a committed teacher of English, teacher trainer, a resource person for training in ELT as well as training the corporate personnel. He is a specialist in bi and multilingualism, classroom ELT theories and practices, and in helping teachers of English, especially those with a dominant L1 background, to cope with problems in teaching English in rural and urban setups in India and elsewhere across the globe. It is our privilege to welcome such a versatile personality as our chief guest. We are happy to have you, sir. Our guest of honor for today is Dr. Sisir Kumar Swai. He started his career as a lecturer in English in 1981, working in Gangadhar Meher College, Sambalpur. He worked there for 38 years, holding different positions like vice principal and principal of 2 different government colleges in western Odisha. He took his retirement after working as the controller of examinations of Sambalpur University for 5 years. He has taught PG students for more than 12 years and acted as the supervisor for 2 PhD scholars. Teaching literature, particularly poetry, is what he likes the most. We are really glad to have you as the guest for today's session, sir. Acharya Hrusikesh Mishra is the chairman of IT Utkal Chemists and Druggists Association, Bhubaneswar, and he is also the secretary of KCDA, Bhavani Patna. With that, he is the executive body member of Indian Red Cross Society. He is a WHO certified emergency healthcare volunteer, and he is the founder member of Dharmagad Women College and Girls High School in Dharmagad. He is also the founding governing body member of Odisha Blood Bank, Dharmagad. With that, he is the administrative secretary of Siddharth Foundation, which is a spiritual voluntary organization. We are happy to have you, sir. Dr. Anand Mahanand, who will be joining us later, is a professor and former head, Department of Materials Development, Testing and Evaluation at the English and Foreign Languages University, Hyderabad. He is interested in syllabus and materials development, language and literature interface, academic English and multilingual education. He has conducted and guided research in these particular areas, and his important publications include English Through Folk Tales, English for Academic and Professional Skills, Classroom Talks in English, etc. And the idea behind this series was of him. We welcome you, sir. And Ms. Satrupa Mishra is an assistant professor of English at the Government Women's College, Bhavani Patna, Kalahandi. She completed MA in English from the University of Hyderabad, where she was awarded the Sarojini Naidu Memorial Trust Gold Medal by the university in 2010. Her research interests include post-colonial eco-criticism, post-humanism and memory studies. Her research articles have been published in national and international e-journals. She has presented papers in international conferences, and she has been the convener of national level webinars on English communication. With that, she is also the coordinator of the English laboratory, language laboratory of her institution, and takes initiative in helping rural learners to enhance their skills. We welcome you, ma'am. Thank you. Over to you, Panchanan sir.
Thank you, Subhra sir. Thank you. Thank you so much for your wonderful introduction of the guest. Now I would like to tell my audience about the objective of this course. 3-hour free course in English, syllabus based, for the students of class 10th of Odisha aims at equipping the students with English skills as prescribed by their respective board, so that they can perform better in examinations, apart from developing their basic communicative competence. This course also focuses on study skills, exam strategies, and English for social interaction in order to make the students an autonomous learner. It also aims at making each of the sessions interactive participatory and democratic, besides the session being engaging. The course will make concerted efforts to make the session a little different from the rest of the online classes available. The tutors selected for this course are well trained and experienced. They have been made aware of the how and why of the course so that the course can achieve its goal. Each session will be of 2 hour duration. 1 hour will be devoted to presentation, and the rest 1 hour will be devoted to open discussion. Participants will be provided with useful material to reinforce their learning. So this project was by Professor Anand Mohanan, but we were in touch with so many educationists and great experts for this project, for their informed suggestion advice to make this course a success. And actually, this is especially for the student of class 10th of Odisha. However, other participants can also join because we will be dealing with grammar, teaching grammar in context, making teaching of grammar enjoyable, funny, and engaging and interesting. And study skill. As far as my knowledge is concerned, most of the students, not only of Odisha but also of India, they are not aware of study skill and exam strategy. I don't know whether their teacher are teaching them this skill or not. I cannot say for sure. But taking these things into consideration, we decided to include this couple of skills like study skills and examination techniques so that the students can be able to write the exam better. They can have a sense of how to study, how to manage time, which they have not been exposed to from their childhood. So I'm pretty sure that this course is going to be very useful and productive for our target group. And we have selected some teachers, like some teachers have joined us, like Chandrachud Behera, the teacher, lecturer in English, Women's College, Junagadh. He will be teaching poetry, and some other teachers also have joined, but I can't see them now. They all are dedicated and committed. They have committed themselves to this project. I'm pretty sure they will be doing justice to their assignment. And you will be providing the participant with useful materials like materials on grammar, study skills, and exam studies, so that so that their learning can be reinforced. And the session, each of the session will be participatory, giving all the students a chance to speak, to speak about their queries, doubts, any question they have, so that by the time the session is over, they can have a sense of achievement. That today we got to learn something different from what we are learning from online classes being offered by the state government or their respective schools. So we have tried to put in heart and soul into this project so that the participant can be immensely benefited from this course. And we will be in touch with some advice, guidance, mentorship from our beloved sir, Rajgopal sir, Shatrughan Mishra madam, and other teacher, Dr. C.C. Soin sir, Professor Anand Mohanan, Albert sir, Arun sir, Abhilash sir. Because this is for the first time that a platform is going to work for the students of Odisha. As far as the state board students of Odisha is concerned, they are they are deprived of so many things, so many great facilities as availed by their urban counterparts. So taking these things into consideration, we wanted to give something to the students, something so that they can be satisfied with, so that they can be immensely benefited from. So this in brief is all about the objective of this course. Over to you, Subransu. Thank you so much for listening to me. Now I would like to request our chief guest, Professor G. Raj Gopal, former Dean, School of English Language Education, the English and Foreign Languages University, Hyderabad. I would like you to, sir, to give a new dimension to this course so that you can make it very successful, productive, and useful. Over to you, sir. Unmute. Sorry, you're muted, sir.
Okay.
Right.
Thank you very much, Panchanan. Thank you very much, Shishir Kumar Swain and Chandrachud Behera. Anand Mahanand has joined. So good morning, Anand.
Namaste, sir.
Namaskar. And Shatarupa and so many my good friends from Odisha. I'm very happy to be here with you on this very auspicious occasion where an attempt is being made to reach out to as many students as possible and see if this prototype of a program, a prototype of a training program works or not. Now, on the part of the tutors, the organizers, and the faculty, this is a new challenge. The challenge is there because it's online. The online has advantages and it has several disadvantages also. First and foremost, online teaching is primarily an oral medium. Learning is not confined to only listening. It's not just confined to only reading, perhaps, but it also requires the faculty of writing. Now, an online program which plans to help the learners pick up certain things that they have missed out in their regular routine learning situation will have to plan helping the learners cope with all kinds of learning, all medium of learning. As Panchanan said, there will be task sheets. Now, these task sheets perhaps will enable everybody to do some writing, controlled writing. But then, the most important thing in writing is that somebody should see what you write, how you write it, which might require that as Panchanan and his team progress with the program, we'll realize that there may have to be clusters, groups of people with a local supervisor, perhaps, just to help all the learners do their writing. Normally what happens is that such coming together of learners will happen perhaps once a week or so in some place, some school, where in some room all the learners assemble and there are maybe not just one person but maybe 2 or 3 people who will sit with them for a couple of hours and help them with writing tasks, help them with writing, clarify many of their doubts. Lots of these things need to be done. But the good thing about this is that learners, all of you who are taking this course, you will benefit a lot from this particular program simply because of one very important factor, and that is all your tutors, all your teachers who are going to teach you will come to you fully prepared, thoroughly prepared. You know, when we think of a course, we think of a course which is what we may call teacher-centered or learner-centered, but this particular course will be learner-centered and learning-centered. Now, this is very important, which means that all students taking this particular course will benefit immensely because of the manner, the way in which your teachers are going to approach this course. They are going to make it very interesting for you, and there will be a lot of stuff, lot of examples, lot of things to work with, illustrations, worksheets, and so on and so forth. And mind you, Panchanan and his team have a massive job to execute, to do, which means that you, students, should participate equally well. I would have explained this in Odia, but I don't know Odia. सिर्फ ये बात है कि इस कोर्स में इतना मेहनत होते हैं टीचर की तरफ से कि अब ये कोर्स आपके हाथ में है बच्चों। इसका मतलब आपका पूरा पार्टिसिपेशन, हर एक एक्टिविटीज में आपका मन डाल के करना, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। Only when you put your mind into this, you will understand its benefit. Remember, whatever you may have learned from your teachers in your schools, whatever you may have not learned from your teachers in school, that is not very important. Learning happens all the way, all the time, at every step. And therefore it becomes very important that now you have a new opportunity, another way of learning. एक और तरीका सीखने में। अगर ये तरीके आपको अच्छा लगता है तो ये तरीका आपने कंटिन्यू कर सकते हैं, आगे भी कर सकते हैं, आप भी सीख सकते हैं, अपने आप सीख सकते हैं, which means that here is a wonderful opportunity for all of you to pick up new skills in English. जैसे पंचानन जी ने बताया स्टडी स्किल्स के बारे में, ये स्टडी स्किल्स क्या होते हैं आपने सीखेंगे। नोट टेकिंग कैसे करना है, नोट मेकिंग कैसे करना है, रेफरेंस कैसे करना है, फास्टर रीडिंग कैसे करना है, स्लोअर रीडिंग कैसे करना है, रीडिंग विथ कॉम्प्रिहेंशन अंडरस्टैंडिंग कैसे करना है, इंफॉर्मेशन ट्रांसफर, इतना सारे चीज जो आपको एग्जामिनेशन उस टाइम पे बहुत उपयोगी हो जाएंगे। आप ये सब सीखेंगे। So you are going to learn many new things, but you are also going to learn things that you know better, and that's important. And therefore, this particular program is a welcome program. We hope Anand Mahanand, Panchanand, Shatrupa, Shishir, everybody will have put in a lot of planning into this kind of a program. I am also part of that. I will also be part of that. But we are going to see how our plan is going to work, how successful we will be. And if we are successful, thank God, thank Lord Jagannath for that, which will give us a chance to improve our results in the coming days. And mainly, mind you, more than the children from bigger cities like Bhubaneswar, Cuttack, and others, those who are from interior areas, from the remote areas, the tribal students, all of them should benefit. And that is Panchanand's aim. He has worked with the tribals himself, and so he understands their needs. And therefore, as somebody who has been associated with teaching for more than 5 decades, I feel so happy with this new initiative that is coming up in Odisha. Thanks to this wonderful team. This is an experimental program. And as an experimental program, there will be regular review meetings of all the tutors, of all the teachers, of all the material writers, testing experts. All of them will be sitting together and reviewing it very, very consciously all the time, just to make sure that the information is reaching you very well. And so, my dear students, I would only ask you to make the best use of this program. Don't miss out on any classes. Keep a special notebook for this. Keep a special diary for this. Use this opportunity to talk. This is a great opportunity that the tutors are going to give you to express your ideas, to be interactive, to communicate. Ask your doubts. Don't hesitate. I'm sorry I didn't understand this. I want to know it more. And the tutors will help you with more information, more knowledge, and they will also struggle quite a lot to pick up the right kind of examples and so on to tell you. And so everybody is going to work with a lot of passion, with a lot of energy, a lot of enthusiasm, with a lot of commitment. And everybody would want to make you become successful. And so, in this new venture, which is happening nowhere else in the country, but in Odisha, and mind you, very soon this will go into the rest of the country. Already there are requests that why can't we do this in Uttar Pradesh also? Why not? But first, let us do it in Odisha. Put this format together in a wonderful manner. The critical questions will be whether 30 hours will be enough. How much can we do in 30 hours? How much can we do in 30 hours is a lot of time. Lot of time. 2 hours is a big time. How do I make use of my 2 hours maximally, fully? It's a lot of time. 2 minutes is a very lot of, tremendously lot of time, you know. And therefore, first and foremost, I must thank and I must congratulate Panchanand and his team who have worked on this brilliant experimental program. Anand Mahanand, my senior colleague, who must have seen the value of doing such a program on this kind of an online platform in a big way. And so I must congratulate this particular team. And then I would like to congratulate all of you, dear students, who are going to enroll on this particular program and who are going to derive the best of benefits from this kind of a program. And I hope everything will become very successful, and Panchanan and his team should be able to come up with a booklet which puts together the course content in detail, how much of time they have spent on listening and how, reading and how, speaking, communication, how, writing, how, grammar, word building, all kinds of activities and so on. So they will be coming out with a booklet which will be their guideline and to which they can go on adding in the coming years and to which you can also contribute. And on this occasion, therefore, I must thank Panchanan for giving me this opportunity, Panchanan and Anand for giving me this opportunity to be with you on this very, very auspicious occasion. To me, it's a very holy day indeed, and that's why I'm using the word auspicious very consciously. And I wish the program every success, and I would like to look forward to seeing the day when Panchanan will be able to give us a report on what happened on this program, what were the things they found out on this program, what were the successes, where were the problems, what are some of the solutions they can think of at this point of time, and how they would like to organize the next program where more students will benefit and so on. So thank you very much, Panchanan and Anand, for giving me this opportunity. And I wish the program every success. And you will be successful simply because you have started it.
Yes.
You know, in Puri Jagannath Temple, the food will never fail because they have done it. They have started doing it. We start doing something in our kitchen, it never fails. It is successful. Simply because we have started it with so much of commitment, so much of love, so much of affection and so on. Similarly, this program, it will be successful. I don't want to use the word failure at all. No way. You have started it and it will go on. It can only be an improvement over one into the other, into the next stage. That's all. And therefore, may you be very successful, all of you. Congratulations. And I am with you all the time. And thank you very much for giving me this opportunity this morning. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. We need your blessing always, and you have been supportive of us at every stage of this program's English Support Mission. And thank you so much, sir, for your kind words. And I do assure you that you will take note of your points and work seriously on these points, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Welcome. Thank you.
And now I would like to request Dr. Shishir Kumar Swai, former Controller of Examination, Sambalpur University, to speak a few words, sir. Over to you, sir.
Good morning, everyone. It's a wonderful time. I would not like to repeat the wonderful things which has been shared by Professor Rajagopal already. I would just like to add a little bit more to what he has shared. But before I do that, I must also express my thankfulness to all the organizers, particularly Mr. Panchanan Duria and Professor Anand Mahanand and Subhranshu, I should say, and all others, each one of them. But today, my regards also to Professor Rajagopal. I always look upon him as my mentor, I would say. So, but today is primarily on the students of class 10. I believe some of them are there who are going to join and they are also listening. So my focus is on these dear students of class 10. They are very special to me. And today, briefly, I would talk to them about why ESM There are so many online classes. They must have been attending online classes almost every day. So what is ESM going to do for them? And why is it special for them? Should they attend? Should they not attend? Things like that might be coming up in their minds. I don't know. But I wish I were there. When I was a student, such an attempt, such an opportunity were there for me, and I would have loved to attend that. Why this? My apology to Professor Rajagopal. Sometimes I would also like to speak in Odia because I am an Odia myself.
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
ମୁଁ ପିଲାମାନଙ୍କୁ କହିବି
Yeah, I think you should.
please allow me to speak in Odia also
Please,
so that
please,
we
please.
can get connected. I can
Sure.
get connected.
Sure, sir.
No, whenever I fall sick, I'm talking to the students specially, in particular. When I fall sick, I like to go to a doctor. And which doctor? There is one particular doctor I trust. I try to get an appointment. ଜଣେ ଡାକ୍ତର ଅଛନ୍ତି ଯାହାଙ୍କ ସହିତ ଆପଏଣ୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ ନିଏ ଆଉ ତାଙ୍କ ପାଖକୁ ଯାଏ ମୋର ଯାହା ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ଥାଏ ମୁଁ ସେଇଟା ତାଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ସେୟାର କରେ ତ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେମାନେ ପାଠ 10th କ୍ଲାସର ପରୀକ୍ଷା ଦେବାକୁ ଯାଉଛୁ ତାର ପାଠ ପଢା ବିଭିନ୍ନ ସମୟରେ ଅନଲାଇନରେ ହଉଛି ଆମ ମାଇଣ୍ଡରେ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ ଆସେ କିଏ ଆମକୁ ପଢେଇବେ this is a very important question when I fall sick I always think which doctor I must go to. He must be a competent doctor. He must know things. He must know how to treat. He must give me the right medicines so that I can be all right. So these are the questions. Who is going to teach you in ESM? We are going to get all the well-trained, experienced teachers who are competent. हमें जो मन को हमें माने पढ़ेवे ଆମ ସମୟରେ ସେମିତି ନଥିଲେ ଆମେ ସେମିତି ସୁଯୋଗ ପାଇନଥିଲୁ କିନ୍ତୁ ଏବେ ଆମ ପାଖରେ ସେଇ ସୁଯୋଗ ଅଛି ଯେ ଯୋଉମାନେ ବି ପଢେଇବେ ସମସ୍ତେ କମ୍ପିଟେଣ୍ଟ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ଟ୍ରେନିଂ ଅଛି ଆଉ ସମସ୍ତେ ଆମେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଟ୍ରଷ୍ଟ କରିପାରିବା we can depend on them they are trustworthy they know their things they know what to teach they know how to teach they know why to teach and they also know many other things why they are going to teach ସେମାନଙ୍କର ମନରେ ମୁଁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ESM କଥା ଭାବେ ESM କଣ ପାଇଁ କରୁଛି ଗୋଟେ ମନରେ ଆସିବ why should somebody do this because simply because they want my own people my dear ones who are there around me they should be benefited ଆଉ ଏଇଟା ପାଇଁ my hats off to ESM. ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ ପିଲାମାନଙ୍କୁ କହୁଛି ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ ମାନେ ଚିନ୍ତା କରିବା କିଏ ପଢେଇବେ ଆମ ପାଖରେ କମ୍ପିଟେଣ୍ଟ ଟିଚର୍ସ ମାନେ ଅଛନ୍ତି କେମିତି ପଢେଇବେ ଆମ ମନରେ ଆସିବ ଆମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଡକ୍ଟରଙ୍କ କଥା ଚିନ୍ତା କରିବା how is he going to treat me हमको केमती पढ़ेबे बोले हमारे टीचर मानक सेमाने एटा जो एक्सपीरियंस हमें माने जो क्लास सब करिबा सेटा इंटरैक्टिव होबो पार्टिसिपेटरी होबो अर्थात टीचर्स पढ़े देला परे हमको समय देबे आमे जे कोनसी प्रश्न पचारि परिबा काहे कि एटा हमरो से समय नथिला आगुरु जेतेबेला आमे पाठ पढुतलु टीचर आसीबे क्लास को पढ़े दे जिबे आमे सुनिले सुनो बुझिले बुझु बा न बुझिले न बुझु आमे प्रश्न पचारि पारु नथलु डरुथलु किंतु एठी आम पाखरे से अपॉर्चुनिटी अछि हाउ याठू भलो एक्सपीरियंस कोन हे पारे व्हेन लर्निंग वुड बी एट इट्स बेस्ट व्हेन यू हैव एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू शेयर टू क्वेश्चन एंड टू गेट आंसर्स टू देम सेति पाए याठू भलो पाठ पढा मते तो लागु नै माने मु हेतिले मु प्रथमे एनरोल करंती आ कहंती मु अटेंटिवली सुनंती प्लीज 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 गिव मी सम मोर टाइम एंड टीच मी मोर as much as you can I'm there for you I'm there willing to learn because ultimately I'm going to be benefited. एटा अनेक स्टूडेंट्स माने कहंती मु होतले कहंती मु भी साधारण परिवार रु आछि साधारण बैकग्राउंड रु आछि गां गहळी रु आछि हमें सेमती अपॉर्चुनिटी पाउ नथलु ESM गोटे अपॉर्चुनिटी दोउची आ हमें सेटार सुयोग पाई कि କେତେ ଭଲରେ ନେଇପାରିବା ସେଇଟା ଆମ ଉପରେ ନିର୍ଭର କରେ। କିନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ଯଦି ଥାନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ଖୁସିରେ ଦୌଡ଼ନ୍ତି ଆଣ୍ଡ ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ସବୁବେଳେ ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ ଦଉଥାନ୍ତି। ତାପରେ ଆସେ କଣ ପଢେଇବେ, ଯଦି ମତେ କାନ ବିନ୍ଧୁଥିବ ଆଉ ଯଦି ଏମିତି ଡାକ୍ତରଙ୍କ ପାଖକୁ ଯିବି ସେ ପାଟିର ଔଷଧ ଦେବେ, ଦାନ୍ତର ଔଷଧ ଦେବେ, ତେବେ ସେଟା ବେକାର ଯିବ। ଆଉ ଆମେ ଜାଣୁଛୁ ESM ଏଇ ଯୋଉ କୋର୍ସଟା ସିଲାବସ୍ ହବ ଯୋଉଟା ପଢାଯିବ, it will be everything is based on the syllabus. ଯୋଉଟା 10th class ର ପରୀକ୍ଷାରେ ପଢିବ ଆସନ୍ତା ଦିନ ମାନଙ୍କରେ ସେଇ ଉପରେ ଆସିବ। ସୋ ଆମ ପାଇଁ ଏଠି କିଛି ୱେଷ୍ଟ ଯିବନି, ଆମକୁ ଆହୁରି ଅଧିକା ଭଲ ଭାବେ ଆମେ ମାନେ ପ୍ରିପେୟାର୍ଡ ହେଇପାରିବା। ସୋ ହୁ ଇଜ ଗୋଇଂ ଟୁ ଟିଚ୍, how they are going to teach, and what is going to be taught to us. এই তিনটা প্রশ্নের উত্তর যেতেবেলে আমি পাইপারিবা, and when somebody is going to do that with love, with affection, with sincerity, with commitment, and without expecting anything in return, what more can be there? ମୁଁ ତ ନିଶ୍ଚୟ 1 ନମ୍ବରରେ ବସନ୍ତି, ମୋର ରୋଲ ନମ୍ବର 1 ହୁଅନ୍ତା ବୋଲି ମୁଁ ଚାହାନ୍ତି। ମୁଁ ଚାହୁଁଛି ମୋର ପ୍ରିୟ ଷ୍ଟୁଡେଣ୍ଟସ୍ ମାନେ ସେମାନେ ଆହୁରି ଏଇ ସମୟର ସୁଯୋଗର ସଦ୍ବ୍ୟବହାର କରିବେ। All my good wishes, I'm with them always, I'm with ESM always as long as they want me there. Thank you. ଟିକେ ଶୁଣିଲ।
Panchanan sir,
Ma'am, I think he has some network issues. Yeah, he joined again. Yes, sir, please. Sir, unmute yourself, please.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, Dr. Sishir Kumar Swami, our mentor, our advisor.
ମତେ ଯାହା କହୁଥିଲି ଶୁଭୁଥିଲା କି?
Again, sir.
हाँ सर जस्ट हाफ मिनिट है मोर नेटवर्क प्रोब्लेम है जस्ट ये माइक्रो माने ऑडियोटा आसला नहीं तो तापरे ओके थैंक यू सो मच सर थैंक यू सो मच फॉर briefing the students about the objectives of this course, the benefit they can reap from this course. Thank you so much, sir. You are always there with us. We have miles to go with your support, with the support of Professor Rajgopal sir, yours, Anand sir. You know, without your support and consistent support and guidance, ESM is nothing indeed. So thank you so much, sir, for your inspiring words, kind words.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Now,
Thank you, sir. Now I would like to request Ms. Satripa Mishra Madam, Assistant Professor of English, Government College, Wani Patna. Over to you, ma'am.
thank you, sir. Good morning, respected founder of English Support, Panchanan Duria, esteemed chief guest, Professor G. Rajgopal, esteemed guests of honor, Shri Sishir Kumar Swami sir, Shri Hrishikesh Mishra sir, and Professor Anand Mahanan, and all those who have joined us today. I'm very glad to be part of this initiative, which is the brainchild of Professor Anand Mahanan and Shri Panchanan Duria for the benefit of the class 10 students of Odisha. At the outset, I would like to say that any constructive step is incomplete if those for whom this is planned do not join it. So, from this forum, I would like to request all the parents whose wards are in class 10 to encourage their kids to join these sessions, which will be very fruitful for them, not just in preparing them for the class 10 board examinations, but also preparing them for higher education, which after class 10 they will pursue. The way these sessions have been planned, I can tell that the learners will be benefited not just in one or two, but in many different ways. Different aspects of their learning will be taken care of in these classes. I would just like to take an example. I was going through the class 10 English textbook, which is prescribed by the Odisha government. And there is a poem by William Wordsworth, The Solitary Reaper. The way the exercises have been planned after the poem speak a lot about how much effort is put into the preparation of materials for making learning effective. And if all those exercises are left untouched and only the subject of the poem is explained to the students and then it is thought that the task is over, then I would say learning is so incomplete, because ultimately the objective of including a prose text or a poem or a drama is to invite the students to learn the English language. And I would like to draw attention to the fact that these exercises also help the teachers understand the learning process and understand the individual requirements of the learners. What I see, there are about 20 or so WH questions, yes or no questions related to the text. So they are all meant to judge, where actually learning takes place, which questions the students are able to answer, which questions they are not able to answer. Not just questions, there are also exercises like, if this is a poem, A Solitary Reaper, then who is singing, who is doing the singing, who is the listener, in which place this scene is set, and what is the effect of that singing on the poet. So if students are able to articulate these things, then we will understand how far learning has taken place. So I congratulate Panchanand sir and Professor Anand Mahanand for coming together and planning this brilliant session. And I know that all the students who join will be immensely benefited. I attended Professor Rajagopal's talk titled Understanding Concerns About Learning in the inauguration of ISPEL South Karnataka Forum. And Professor Rajagopal always stressed that unless we understand the learning process, unless we understand the individual requirements of the learners, effective teaching will not happen. So, under the guidance of Professor Mahanand and with the experience of Shri Panchanand Duriya, I'm sure all the instructors will do a very nice job, and this program will be fruitful. And also Anand Mahanand sir's session on learning language through literature is a very nice one, and it would be helpful for the teachers as to how to use these pieces of literature to enable proper or effective language learning. So with this, I end my speech. Yes, I would like to speak a line in Odia. ମୁଁ ओडिशार जेतिकी अभिभावक माने अछंती मु आह्वान दबाको चाहूची जे तांकर पिला माननको से माने कहंतु जे जेमिति हेले एई सेशन को आसी की जॉइन करिवे काहे कि ना एठी जेतिकी एक्सपीरियंस टीचर माने पढेइबे सेटा निहाती तांको सहाय्य करिवो खाली 10म श्रेणी परीक्षा रे से माने भलो करिवेनी आगो को हायर स्टडीज +2 भी जेतबळे से माने पढिवा पई जिबे तांकर प्रिपरेशन बहुत भल भाव हो पारिबो ए फोरम रे एतिकी मु कहबा को चाहूची जे पंचानन सर बहुत भल काम करूचंती आ आमे माने तांको सपोर्ट करिबा निहाती दरकार तेणु मु समस्त को अनुरोध करूची ई प्रोग्राम कार्यक्रम रे जोग देकी तांको आमे एनकरेज कर थैंक यू
Thank you, madam. Thank you so much for your inspiring words, kind words. Thank you. I know you are always there with us at every stage of English Support Mission. You have invited us to your college also to organize a 3 days workshop, and that gave us a great recognition in Kalahandi. People started believing in us. Thank you so much, man. And now Mr. Acharya, Hrishikesh Acharya sir has joined us. Sir, I would like to request you. Please speak a few words, sir. Over to you, sir. Honorable Acharya Hrishikesh Acharya, sir. Sir.
Hello.
Thank you so much. Though you are traveling, but you have joined us. Thank you so much, sir. Over to you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, Panchanan Babu. And I am happy that English Support Mission is arranging a very wonderful thing for 30 hours teaching a course for the students of class 10th. As you know, you people are doing a wonderful job. The English Support Mission for the students of class 10th. I am happy that Professor Rajagopal is there. He is elaborated everything. Dr. Swami is there. Professor Mahanand is there. Madam Misra is there. I do tell one thing that study skill and teaching skill. This is the very two important thing. And you are now doing the study skill. And the 10th class student will learn the study skill, how to know the language, English language very easy and effectively. Previously, I have also told in a webinar, in a virtual meeting, that we have to develop the teaching skill. As you know, the students are very poor in English language in primary level, in the middle primary level and the high school level. We should start this program henceforward from the 9th class, 9th and 10th. Students can easily be enrolled to this type of program. As you know, I have discussed this matter with all the officers in my district, in Kalahandi district, and they have accepted the proposal of ESM because you know that transformation of process is going on in the government high schools of all over Odisha. In particularly in Kalahandi district, they have chosen ESM to be a stakeholder in that process. And we will start that mission very shortly. And I have introduced Mr. Duria to the district education officer and other officers also. So they are doing a very good thing. My best wishes with them. And I will be happy to be a bridge between the ESM and the government machinery. As you know, the English Support Mission needs support. That support may be from the corporate sector, that support may be from the government sector, that support from we people. So that part of the things I will do for them and I will be bridge for them. ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ମୁଁ ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ କହିବି ଯେ ଯୋଉ ପିଲାମାନେ ଆଜି 10th କ୍ଲାସ୍ ପଢୁଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ ଯୋଉମାନେ ଇଂଲିଶର ବିଷୟରେ ଶିଖିବା ପାଇଁ ଆଜି ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ଲାଟଫର୍ମରେ ଗୁଗୁଲ ମିଟ୍ ଜରିଆରେ ଜଏନ୍ କରିଛନ୍ତି ସେମାନେ ଏଇଟାର ପୁରା ଫାଇଦା ନେବା ଦରକାର। ଏଇଠି ଯୋଉମାନେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ପାଠ ପଢେଇବେ ଯେ ଅତି ଖୋଲା ମନରେ ସେମାନେ ତାଙ୍କର ଯାହା ଡାଉଟ୍ ଅଛି ତାକୁ ପଚାରି ପାରିବେ ଆଉ ଯୋଉମାନେ ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ଇଂଲିଶର ତାଙ୍କ ବହିରେ ଯାହା ଅଛି ଯେହେତୁ ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ସିଲାବସ୍ ବେସ୍ଡ ଟିଚିଂ କୋର୍ସ ହଉଛି ସେଥିପାଇଁ ୟାର ଭରପୁର ଫାଇଦା ସେମାନେ ନେବା ଦରକାର ଆଉ ଯୋଉମାନେ ଏଇଟା ଶୁଣୁଛନ୍ତି ସେମାନେ ଅନ୍ୟମାନଙ୍କୁ ବି କହିବା ଦରକାର ଯେ ତାଙ୍କ ପିଲାମାନେ ବି ଏଠି ଜଏନ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ और जो गार्डियन माने भावुचंती जे इंग्रजी शिक्षादान तांको पिलाकर होउ नै से क्लास रे किछि बुझी पारु नै ट्यूशन करूची ट्यूशन रे किछि बुझी पारु नै होय तो तांको पय एटा गोटे अपूर्व सुजोग आनि दैछि मो प्रभु जगन्नाथ तांको पाखरे प्रार्थना करिवि इंग्लिश सपोर्ट मिशन तार ए कार्यधारा जो आगे चालू आ मु जो गोटे गुंडीची मूसा हिसाब रे सपोर्ट मिशन रे किछि जदि करि परिबि ताले निजको भाग्यवान मन करिवि धन्यवाद
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Rajgopal sir, Dr. Sisir Swai sir. This is Hrishikesh Acharya sir. He has helped a lot. Actually, he has talked to the sub-collector of my hometown. He has made me talk to the DEO, ADEO and collector. And he has offered himself to help us in every possible way.
What more can you ask for?
And
What
last
more can you ask?
webinar,
Brilliant.
I invited him to our last webinar, and he suggested us to be a part of a government system, and he introduced me to some of the officials concerned, and he has assured us of every possible support and guidance from him. And he has also talked to the CM office about English support mission, and his sir is very committed, sir, because I know him from my childhood. He's from my hometown, and he's very concerned about education, particularly of Kalahandi, my native district, my home district. And he wants to help us to reach out to the students from across Odisha. So we are very grateful to him, and we will remain grateful to him for his
Yes.
guidance, for his consistent support. Thank you so much, sir. We are blessed to have you, sir, to have your guidance, to have your support. And we are looking forward to your support very soon, because we are going to work on a project on smart school project, high school transformation project initiated by government of Odisha, and sir has told us to be a part of this initiative by the government. So we do assure you, sir, that we will put in our best of efforts to make it a success. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for joining us. So though sir is traveling, but he joined us. Thank you so very much, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Hrishikesh ji.
thank you.
Namaskar.
Sir, thank you, sir. You are in our back. There will be no problem, sir, for this mission.
You are there. You are very important.
Thank you so much. With your help, many things will be
Professor
much better.
Manand is a guiding force. You are a guiding force.
Yes.
Committed people like Panchanand Dunia, sir, Subransh is there, Satrupa madam is there. Everything can be achieved. When there is a will, there is a way, and we will achieve it.
Sure.
Sure. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. So next, I would like to request
Yeah.
our mentor, our advisor, Mr. Professor Anand Mohanan, sir, to speak a few words. Then I will, after Anand Mohanan sir has spoken, I would like to request one of our tutor. He has joined us, Mr. Chandrachud Behera. Over to you, Professor Mohanan, sir.
Hello, namaskar. As Rajgopal sir mentioned, it is an auspicious occasion. It's a great occasion. We are launching this 30-hour course for 10th class students, and we are getting support from all quarters. We are getting support from Professor who is in Sambalpur, and Mr. Acharya, who is in Bhawanipatna, and I am from Hyderabad. So it's a great occasion, an auspicious occasion. I would like to mention some problems in English teaching to you. Uh, as we know, English language teaching means 4 skills and 2 aspects: listening, speaking, reading and writing, plus vocabulary and grammar. These are the skills and language aspects we should master to be a proficient speaker or user of English. But how these skills are taught, that is something to reflect on. These 4 skills are not given adequate importance. Okay, you don't have a writing class, you don't have a speaking class. You have English period, English class, but under that, and it is presumed that you will be taught reading, writing, speaking, and all that, but these skills are not given much importance. One of my PhD students did a project. She talked to the teachers to find out what kind of methods they are using, what kind of innovative methods, creative methods they are using. And they gave their feedback, their responses. And one of them said, "Madam, you are asking about methods and all, but we are asked to give notes to the students, and they have to just by heart those notes, and they have to write in exam." So, and parents also want that. Parents also want us to do that. And by doing that, the students will do better and they will score good marks and they'll get ranks and all that. So there are problems. Teachers try to use innovative methods and all, but they are sometimes discouraged. They are not allowed. Parents want something, the school administration wants something else. So developing skills is important, because if we don't do that, our students will not be able to write on their own. They will not be able to speak properly, fluently. So if you teach them to copy just by giving notes, they will just copy that and reproduce the same thing in the exam. So, but if you teach them to develop their skills in reading and writing, they can read whatever texts are given to them. They can write whatever writing tasks are given to them. They can summarize unknown passages, everything. So that is the aim of this course. So we'll help students to develop language skills so that with those language skills, they will do better in their exams. Language skills and grammar, they will do better in their exam. These language skills and language aspects will help them or equip them to do better in their exams. So students, you will benefit immensely from these classes. ଆଉ ରାଜଗୋପାଳ ସାର୍ ଯେମିତି କହିଲେ, टीचर मानकर गोटे कदम हेले तुम्हारा 10 कदम हवा कथा. If teacher takes one initiative, you should practice, or you should take 10 initiatives to learn the lesson. All right. So that's wonderful, and it is going to help you a lot. Shishir Kumar sir also mentioned, he encouraged you. Then Acharya sir, I remember in the first meeting, he mentioned that only webinars will not help. And so that triggered our mind, and we thought of doing more to help students. And this is the result of that. With this kind of inputs, we'll proceed ahead. And say, I always say our team members are very committed people. We have Subhranshu, who is techno savvy and very helpful. All the time he's alert. We have Panchanan, of course, is the main person, and he has been committed immensely. And Lingaraj is there. So Satrupa madam helps often with programs, and she is very helpful. So all our teachers will help you to develop your language skills, to organize your studies well, and that is how we are functioning. We are functioning well and effectively with the goodwill of people, goodwill of all the team workers, and we are proving that by our activities. We are proving that with goodwill, cooperation, and dedication, the world moves on. It doesn't move on, or doesn't depend on money only, but these things are greater force than money and other things and wealth. And I am sure we will achieve our goal, achieve our target to some extent. The course will help to develop language skills of students, at least to some extent, if not to full extent, because learning is a lifelong thing. If we initiate them to some strategies, some skills of learning, they will be independent, they will be autonomous, they will learn on their own. So it's a great occasion. Thank you very much, and all the best to our learners. They should, and I see them in large number. Aji jamti बहुत संख्यारे जोगदान करिसंती संती कंटिन्यू रखिबा आउ सांगा मान को भी डाकिबा समस्ते सिखिबा मिली मिसिकरी समस्ते आगे बढ़िबा. Thank you very much, and all the best for the program. It's an immense support, and thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, Professor Anand Mohanan, sir. Thank you so much. Now, we have a tutor with us. Now, I would like to request Mr. Chandrachud Behera, a lecturer in English, Women's College, Junagadh, Dalimba Women's College, Junagadh. He has done his master and MPhil from Delhi University, and he is a poet. Some of his poems have been published in some of the magazines. Over to you, sir.
Hello, Panchabhai. Is my voice audible?
Yeah.
Hello.
You are audible.
Okay. First of all, thank you so much, beloved Panchabhai, the brain behind this mission, rather a noble mission. And for the past 1.5 hours, I was seriously listening to the intellectually charged words of Rajgopal sir, then Swai sir, and then Mohanan sir, as well Satrupa ma'am as well. So it's a learning process for me as well. And it's a great thing and a great honor to be here, to be involved in this noble mission. So I have been entrusted with teaching poetry basically, which remains my favorite domain since years. And but teaching poetry to basically 10 standard students is a challenging affair, definitely, because you have to come down to their level. And I hope purely English to English way of teaching will not that much be beneficial, as we often do while teaching students of higher level, which we are always familiar with. So still I am trying to devise ways, methods as how to satisfy them so as to suit the purpose and objectives of this noble cause. Anyway, I have also taken suggestions from Panchabhai and his the loads of experience that he has got behind his back, and it's also an interesting point in my career to be involved with 10th standard students. So it's a great thing. And that day I was having a few words with Panchabhai about where should I start with. Then we both agreed that we should start with a highly philosophical poem of William Wordsworth, that is We Are Seven. And We Are Seven is a unique poem in the sense that that's not a nature poem, as the countless poems of Wordsworth are often. Okay, that poem has got a philosophical twist. That poem tries to aware a girl of the reality of death, which she stubbornly resists. That is the gist of the poem. So it will be an interesting aspect to teach that poem to the students, and I am rearing to go. I am looking forward to that really. So as to again, but we have to also keep in mind that we must come to the level of fulfilling the objectives and purposes of this noble mission. Okay, but as I said, okay, I am rearing to go, and I looking forward to teach the guys. So again, I'm very much thankful to Panchabhai for getting me involved with this mission. So again, thank you all. Thank you very much. And we shall try to give our best to make this mission, a grand one. So thank you, Panchabhai. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for your assurance, for your efforts to make your
Thank you,
session
welcome.
interesting, enjoyable, and then interesting. Okay, thank you so much, sir. Now
Welcome.
it's time for giving vote of thanks. I request Subhranshu to offer a formal vote of thanks. Before Subhranshu move on to give a vote of thanks, ଆମ ପିଲାମାନଙ୍କୁ କିଛି ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ କହିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି ଯେ ଡିୟର ପାର୍ଟିସିପେଣ୍ଟସ୍ ଯେ ବାକି ଅନଲାଇନ୍ କ୍ଲାସେସ୍ ଟିକେ ଭିନ୍ନ କେମିତି ଆମେ ଅଲଗା କରିବା ଆମେ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରୁଛୁ ବେଶୀ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରୁଛୁ ହୁଏତ କେତେ ଦୂର ଆମେ ସକ୍ସେସଫୁଲ୍ ହେବ କହିପାରିବୁନି କିନ୍ତୁ ଆମେ ପ୍ରାଣପଣେ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରିବୁ ତମମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ତମେ କେମିତି କିଛି ନୂଆ ଜିନିଷ ଶିଖ ଡେଲି କିଛି ନୂଆ ଜିନିଷ ମାନେ କ୍ଲାସେସ୍ ସରୁ ସରୁ ତମକୁ ଗୋଟେ ଫିଲିଙ୍ଗସ୍ ଆସିବା ଦରକାର ଯେ ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ କିଛି ଆମେ କିଛି ନୂଆ ଜିନିଷ ଶିଖିଛୁ କିଛି ୟୁଜଫୁଲ୍ ଜିନିଷ ଶିଖିଛୁ ବାକି ଅନଲାଇନ୍ କ୍ଲାସେସ୍ ଅପେକ୍ଷା ଏଇଟା ଭଲ ଅଛି ଆମକୁ ଆମର କଥା ଶୁଣୁଛନ୍ତି ଆମର ଡାଉଟ୍ସ କ୍ଲିୟର କରାଯାଉଛି ଆମର କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ସକୁ ଆକ୍ସେପ୍ଟ କରାଯାଉଛି ଆମକୁ ପାର୍ଟିସିପେସନରେ ଭାଗ ନେବାକୁ ଆମକୁ ଚାନ୍ସ ଦିଆହେଉଛି ମାନେ ଫ୍ରେଣ୍ଡଲି ୱେରେ ପଢ଼ାଯାଉଛି ଡର ନାହିଁ ଭୟ ନାହିଁ କିଛି ନାହିଁ ତ ଆମେ ସେସନଟାକୁ ପ୍ରତି ସେସନଟାକୁ ଏମିତି କରିବାକୁ ଯାଉଛୁ ତମମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଏଇଟା ଲର୍ଣ୍ଣର ସେଣ୍ଟର ଯେମିତି ପ୍ରଫେସର ରାଜଗୋପାଳ ହାଜ୍ ରାଇଟଲି ସେଡ୍ ଆମେ ଲର୍ଣ୍ଣର ସେଣ୍ଟର କରୁଛୁ ଇଟ୍ସ ଆବାଉଟ୍ ଟିଚର ଟକ୍ ଟାଇମ୍ ଆମେ କମେଇ ଦେଇଛୁ ଆଉ ପୁରା ଲର୍ଣ୍ଣର୍ସର ଟକ୍ ଟାଇମ୍କୁ ବଢ଼େଇ ଦେଇଛୁ ତମେ ନ ବୁଝିଲା ଯାଏଁ ଆମେ ୱିଲ୍ ନଟ୍ ମୁଭ୍ ଫର୍ଦର ତମେ ଖାଲି ପଚାରିଥିବା କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଓପନ୍ ଡିସ୍କସନ୍ ହେବ 1 hour ଓପନ୍ ଡିସ୍କସନ୍ ପାଇଁ ରଖାଯାଇଛି ତମେ ନ ବୁଝିଲା ଯାଏଁ ଆମେ ଆଗକୁ ବଢ଼ିବୁନୁ ତେଣୁ ଆଶା କରୁଛି ଯେ ତମେ ଅନେକ ସଂଖ୍ୟାରେ ଯୋଗଦାନ କର ତମ ନିଜର ସାଙ୍ଗସାଥି ମାନଙ୍କୁ ଟିକେ ଇନଫର୍ମ କରିଦିଅ ବେଶୀରୁ ବେଶୀ ପିଲା କେମିତି ବେନିଫିଟେଡ୍ ହୁଅନ୍ତୁ ଏଇଟା ହେଲା ଆମର ଲକ୍ଷ୍ୟ ଆଉ ଆଶା କରୁଛି ଆମ ଲକ୍ଷ୍ୟ ଆମର ଯୋଉ ମିଶନଟା ଅବଜେକ୍ଟିଭଟା ସକ୍ସେସଫୁଲ୍ ହେବ ବୋଲି ଆଶା କରୁଛି ତେଣୁ ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଜଏନ୍ କରିଥିବାରୁ ଓଭର ଟୁ ୟୁ Subhranshu.
Thank you so much, sir. Once again, I am very much delighted to be invited to propose a formal vote of thanks on this platform amidst stalwart scholars and ELT practitioners especially. I, Subhranshu Das, on behalf of ESM, extend my heartful indebtedness to Shri Panchanand Duria and Shri Anand Mahanand especially for their public-spirited personality and persistent effort to make this program, to make this idea come alive. We are really fortunate to have all the resource persons, starting from Professor Raj Gopal, Professor Sisir Kumar Swai, and Acharya Rusikesh Mishra sir, and Chandrachud sir, Shatrupa ma'am, and many others who joined us because their lifelong experience and expertise and the knowledge that they shared with us today is very, very helpful especially for the students, for the 10th class students, not only for the 10th class, to whoever is listening this, because we will be focusing basically on grammar, they can shape the different features of the language skills. And with the simplicity of the facts, we are really happy. And we hope our participants must have gained, I would like to say in Odia, एठी शिखिबार बहुत जिनस अच्छी, and you are there. This is an open platform for everyone. तो एठी लर्न करिवार पई सुजोग बहुत अच्छी, तो समस्ते जॉइन कले आमे एटा को गोटे बहुत बड़ा सक्सेस करि परिबा। सेतकी मु कहि कि आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक एवरीवन। धन्यवाद, नमस्कार।
Okay, धन्यवाद। Thank you so much everyone. Professor Rajagopal sir, Anand sir, Swai sir, Acharya sir, Chandrachud sir, Shastrupa madam, everybody and all, every single participant sir. So, ପିଲାମାନେ ଆଜି ସେସନ୍ ଆରମ୍ଭ କରିବ ନା କାଲି କରିବା? ଚାଟ୍ ବକ୍ସରେ ଲେଖ। ମୁଁ ତ ଆଜି କ୍ଲାସ୍ ନେବାର ଅଛି। If you are bored, if you are not interested today, then you will postpone it to tomorrow. Chat box रे लिखो, are you interested?
आ गोटे कथा मु ऐड करिया को चाहिबी, मु चैट बॉक्स रे इंग्लिश सपोर्ट मिशन रो यूट्यूब चैनल रो लिंक पोस्ट कर देइची। सब पिला को रिक्वेस्ट सेटर क्लिक करिकी चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करि देले, जदि भी आपण लाइव अटेंड करिया को भूली जाउचंती, यूट्यूब रे सब रे रिकॉर्डेड सेशंस रहिबो। हमें चेष्टा करिबु पोस्ट करिबा पई।
Right, good suggestion. Okay. So, I request Professor Rajagopal to declare this meeting over, this session over. Over to you, sir.
This was a wonderful session with so many positive inputs. I'm not surprised, but I'm amazed at the good fortune that you have, Panchanan, where so many eminent people, in all their simplicity and humility, have extended their support to your mission. It is our good fortune that so many people are putting together their desire, also conveying to us their blessings, good wishes, willingness to support, take it forward, make it a state level mission. Now these are extremely important developments, and it's very important that a society also gets to see that so much of effort is going on for their benefit by such a committed group of people. And hence, we leave on a very optimistic note, which means, Panchanan, your responsibility is bigger now.
Right, sir.
So, I am very happy that today we have seen such wonderful minds coming together, and it's like, when you go to the temple, there is the dakshina, which is just put in that hundi, where you put them little money there, little money there, little money there, and that is what helps the temple survive, grow, and so on. And today's contribution has been just like that. So your kalash, we call it hundi. In Telugu also it is known as hundi. I don't know what you call it in Odia. So so many people have put in so many things into that hundi, and with very good intentions. They have, we touch the hundi before you put in the coin. or whatever, we touch the hundi, hold our hands there, remember all that we want to tell the God. We want to request for all the things, seek blessings, do all those things, and then we put in the money. And today's session has been just like that. And so you are a blessed boy, you are blessed people, and continue with your mission. And may you be very successful always. And you have started well, and therefore you shall be successful. Thank you, and all the best.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir, for your words. They are always encouraging.
Yeah.
Thank you,
Okay.
Shishir, sir. Thank you for joining us from your busy schedule.
No, thank you so much for this wonderful time, and particularly thank you, sir, Professor Rajagopal, sir.
Thank
Such
you
a
so
pleasure.
much. Thank you.
Okay, all the best. Have a nice day.
So see
All
you
the
next
best.
time. Bye bye.
Okay,
Thank you.
bye.
Thank you, everyone.